Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Sahil Khan, come from Rafigani New Area. I am stand here to speak a topic. What is technology? Technology is a study and a transaction of techniques, tools, and machine. We can study the techniques, tools, and machine. We can study the transactions, and it is created by humans. Technology is a used in a study and involve the physical elements that is present in our life. And we can study the technology of cars and elements, and a technology of television, and the technology of jobs and art. And our nature cannot be considered as a technology because the human cannot be ruled in a creations. They can transform they can transform in a surface, and I'm not going to deeply in this case. We can call it science. Science is a historical knowledge. We can man's sex on a intelligent, and we can work on link and exit between the natural pneumonia. We can on the contrary, the technology and techniques will that is alive. We can study the technology and to improve and observe the object. It is a activity. It is activity that is always science is frozen in size. I'm telling out cyber attack. In this season, cyber attack is in a recently direct Twitter and Tesla. It is a considered government system that number of a scope of a cyber attack in this economic case. So we live in a high-tech world. Everything is possible from the technology. And that's all.